How to fix screen not responding to touches on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, make sure turn on touch sensitivity. After turn on touch sensitivity, you go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.